Hey everyone, welcome back to Ideal 3D Projects. Ever struggled to set goals that actually work? I've been there. I used to think, I don't need to set goals, they never work out. Turns out I just had the wrong thinking and system. Today, we're bringing the S.M.A.R.T goal setting system into 3D printed reality. In this case, S.M.A.R.T stands for specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Let's break it down. Starting with S for specific, a goal needs to be clear, so ask yourself, who is involved? What do I want to accomplish? Where will it be done? Why am I doing this? Because reasons and purpose are important for succeeding the goal, and which constraints and/or requirements do I have? For example, with this project, we want the S.M.A.R.T goal setting system to be in 3D visual form to use as a reminder and to make a video of it for YouTube to share with all of you. So it needed to be designed, printed, and have a video done in a timely fashion that we'll talk about later. Next, M stands for measurable. You need a way to track progress and measure outcomes. If you can't measure it, you won't know if you're getting closer to the goal being accomplished. The goal for this project was measurable because when the design was finished, we could start printing and then move on to the video. By breaking it down into steps, we could track and tell when we were getting close to being done. A is for attainable. Dream big, but make sure your goal is realistic. That the goal is reasonable and within your power or reach to achieve and accomplish that goal. If you're new to 3D printing, you wouldn't start with a complex mechanical part. You'd begin with a simple, basic print, like a sign. Even though this one is different than the other signs we've done, since this project is made up of different pieces and we're connecting them by using magnets, it's still within our capabilities to accomplish, as you can see. R is relevant. Your goals should align with your bigger and overall plans. It should be worthwhile and meet your needs. For us, designing 3D prints like this one and working on making content fits perfectly with our creative journey. Finally, T is for timely. Without a deadline, a goal is just a wish. Giving a deadline will establish a sense of urgency and prompt you to have better time management because time limits push us to take action. Some may say the S.M.A.R.T goal setting system is broken, but it has worked for us, and this project brings it into a visual physical form. Whether it's for work, fitness, or 3D printing, these principles help turn ideas into achievements. Because let's face it, that sense of accomplishment is a good feeling. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button and let me know in the comments what's your next S.M.A.R.T goal. Don't forget to subscribe for more 3D designs that bring ideas to life. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.